Morning. May narration pa, no?
Oh, dito muna tayo sa uling.
Okay, uling
Ito,
muna.
Ito, oh. We make you to the uling here.
Okay.
This part.
How long will it take you to cook the uling? To cook the uling.
Ouch!
Question! So that I won't remain tanga.
Yes. After they make soup,
How do you cook the uling?
You put fire.
Okay.
Siyempre. You put fire.
Okay.
Sa baba.
Okay.
Then, pag ganito uling na,
Okay.
you make grind there, that yellow
Okay.
machinery.
There.
Then, they make shape the uling there, that yellow machinery there.
Really now?
Then, when the uling is shaped like donut, they make oven there, ha?
Okay.
Then, pinatutuyo na.
Okay.
That is how made. Ha?
Then we can eat the uling na. Then we can eat the uling na. Because it's cooked already.
Paano mapapapunta nito sa Harvard? Hindi mo alam mag-English. Bagsak ako sa topel. Gab, tuturuan mo mag-English, ha?
Sure, love.
Yeah. You know.
Yeah, then I'll present this project in Harvard.
Yeah!
We make coal out of wood.
Wow!
Sam, go!
Don't worry, your love is very good in English, even in
In Spanish.
Spanish, yeah.
Yeah, so may
And in Spain, you're also presented in Spain for fun.
yeah. Then my little sister will teach me French and Japanese
Wow!
Wow.
and a little bit Mandarin
Wow!
and a little bit Indonesian language.
Ano ba yan? French Mandarin?
Oh!
Ang ganda.
Hindi talaga, yun nga ang process nito. Alam ko yung ano eh. Parang improvised charcoal lang ginagawa nila eh. Actually,
Okay.
yan eh, yun yung ano.
Pneumatic lahat yan.
Yan yung gawan na yung pinag-shape pa ng ano eh.
Gano'n na po kayo katagal na gumagawa ng uling?
Actually, ngayon pa lang. Ay, may kula lang.
Okay.
Pero
Fine.
I know these machines, you know. The fucking machine.
Wala to.
Oh. There.
Picture mo, baby.
Sabi nga sa Harvard, you educate one half of the world's terrorists.